Hey everyone, welcome back to Beauty of Royalty YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would advise you guys to do that right now, okay? My daughter requested me to do a half up, half down for the first day of school, so I'm gonna just try to get her done and ready to go. Once I started to do this install, I started to realize I was doing it completely wrong. But I was trying to hurry up with the process and move fast so I can hurry up and get this done to get home. Because I've been working all day and my daughter, she tends to ask for last minute hair services, which irk my nerves. Oh, and if you're wondering what bundles we're using, we are going to be using my Beauty of Royalty Raw Body Wave collection. And when I say the hair was giving natural, it was giving natural, okay? And if you're looking for some raw hair here in Las Vegas, I advise you guys to tap in with me. I'm located here at the Boulevard Mall, and then my shop is called Beauty of Royalty, okay? Also, I sell these wax sticks for $12, and when I tell you this wax stick is gonna last you at least more than a year, it's gonna last you more than a year. So don't be sleeping on your girl. I'm gonna go ahead and use this wax stick and this flat iron and this comb, get her hair real straight and silky, and then we're gonna do the half up, half down. So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna play some music and just enjoy, okay? If you are wondering what's that on my hand, it's some beeswax. I'm going to go ahead and use the beeswax to slickly slack and do exactly what I need to do. So stay tuned.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl.
We're all done with the ponytail. This is the outcome. So far, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and silk out the weave in the back and give it a little curl at the tips. That was her request. That's her friend in the background. They cracking jokes because they ready to go. And yes, I'm making her hold the ponytail because she ain't doing nothing else. So yeah, I'm putting her to work too, just like she put me to work. As you can see, these Beauty of Royalty bundles is popping, okay? Look at that body. This is the outcome. I hope you ladies like this. If you guys are interested in booking this service, I advise you guys to comment down below. Book your hair appointment. The link is in the bio. Don't be scared to pull up to Beauty of Royalty here located in Las Vegas. Book your appointment with me and stop sleeping on your girl, okay? Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.